Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, people. So today video I am going to make chocolate tea, but before I go any further in this video, I just want to say a big thanks to you guys for the new subscriber for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, I thank you a lot. And for the person who have been here with me on the start of my YouTube journey, I must say thanks to you. You guys help motivate me. Reason for that, whether I post or not, you guys still watch my video, so that give me a reason to post. And people, share the video. Share the videos yet. Share the video, man. Show man, I bet things look so bad. Share the video with whoever you choose. Just share the video. Remember to always give it a like and comment in the comment section. The comment section is waiting for you as well, so always remember to comment. And if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. So I already washed my hands, but I am going to wash them again. So people, these are my ingredients.
Hi.
Wait, JJ. Alright. Do you know these? Can you tell the people what are these? What I am going to use?
Coconut, salt, and what is this? It looks like a rock.
It looks like a rock. So what is the name of that?
A rock.
Really? So you think I am going to use rock to boil my tea?
I mean, no. It's chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate and
What that is called? If you never know the name, if you never know the name for the chocolate, whenever time I boil chocolate tea again, me never would I give you any, because you cannot be drinking it and you don't know the name. Don't it, people? You're not supposed to drink it and don't know the name. So we have vinegar. Did you already tell them about the vinegar?
no.
So these are my ingredients, people. So I am going to grated my coconut now. People, me no want to blend it. I could have blended it, I could have used the powder, but I chose not to. I want to do it the real authentic way. You know what them way there? Yeah. Me not like grater neither, you know, because whenever time I grater, my shoulder hurts. I hope you guys don't mind my face not showing in the video, because I have to hold down the thing so you can see what I am going to do. And I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so you know the strips go. Hmm? That is called a cinnamon powder.
Oh, cinnamon powder.
Yeah.
Can I have?
Well, I am going to use the coal stove for this. I am not going to use the gas stove. I am trying to be as authentic as I can be.
What I think is just
The coal stove. So this is my coconut. I am going to grate it.
Not that.
Hmm?
Not that.
Try what? Try grate the coconut?
Yes.
You cannot manage it. Not even me can manage it, much less you. Me not even like grate do this. You know what? I don't like to do this.
Scrape myself.
Yeah, sometimes you use it, and if you don't know how to use it, you can cut yourself. I hate to use the grate. I hate to use it, and it cut me. That's why I don't like it. And it's hurt my shoulder.
How do you clean up a grater without?
So guys, I am showing to you how I catch my coal stove. This is some cooking oil. Let it stay right there. The place is really windy.
Well, that uses better. I told you.
No, the place windy because this. This is the last time I am going to. Alright, let's see how it goes now.
Great. Wonderful.
No, sir. We talk too quick, Johnny. Next time, let's be sure before we say anything.
If you want to put it out, or just throw a piece of sand in there.
Yes, finally.
What is it, Jaden?
If you wanted to put it out, I'll just throw sand in there.
Sun?
Yes. Sand.
Jaden,
Sand.
please.
Put it out. Finally. Yay.
That was a good one.
It looks so cool.
People, this is what I use. The coconut oil. Hold on. This is what I use, the coconut oil. Look, my finger didn't get black out. I'm doing all of this for the video. This won't be back.
Slowly disintegrating. What are you doing?
There we go. The cardboard starts to turn brown. I mean black.
Not sure too much. I look like say. This is called for a disappointment. Yes, guys, this is my coconut juice. The coconut, not all that. It's not that dry. For me to get the juice like that, juice, but I have to add some hot water to it, and that's gonna consume too much of my time. So I just work with it as it is. Guys, okay. I am adding my coconut milk. My little stove go on with itself.
I'm gonna move this stuff. I'm gonna move this up. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna have to sit on this uncomfortable chair. Okay. This is the first time that you're playing on with the kitty on right?
Oh yes, under the mango tree feels so cool. Is it showing? So guys, I am going to add my nutmeg. Here it is. The wind is really strong, trust me. Hey, I said that kitty I go get a burn today, see people. I'm sorry for him when he get him burn, trust me.
Oh, I'm getting so warm now.
I am going to add my vanilla. Normally I would put it in and let it boil with the coconut milk. That's what I normally did. I am adding my almond. Sit down and relax. Jaden, you notice where the stove is, right? What happened? So that's what you suffer? Are you kidding me, boy? My cinnamon powder. Huh?
One day I just wish to make a big pot of this tea with a big
Chocolate tea? You
And
love
normally
chocolate?
when we
You love
make it,
chocolate tea that much?
yes, it's really yummy.
You hear
Normally
that,
when we make
people?
it, it's a little bit. And when I want more,
Because we
it's
make it for just the four of us. We are not making it for it to stay. We are making it just for the four of us.
Yeah, but I want it.
you want
What you want? You want more?
Yes.
Well,
Every time I want more. Because I'm
Make
crazy.
just a little bit.
Because I'm
Oh.
crazy.
when since you love chocolate tea, you Mr. Jaden, you don't normally drink it. So when since you start drink it? Huh? Well, you start drink it as of lately because before you never used to drink it. Just me, Ajani, and your dad.
Chocolate tea? Wait a minute. I have ate that before. Ate chocolate. I mean, drink it before. I know. But I'm a baby all the time. I've got it for it. Remember the chocolate tea in the packet that we used to buy? And
So guys, my tea has finally finished boiled. I am adding my Betty milk. Guys, I have to bring it inside to sweeten it. Outside is too windy and I cannot manage the wind out there. This is my finished product, my people. So take a look at it. I don't put a lot of milk in it because I don't want it to be too sweet and I don't want a lots of milk in it because I am trying my best to intake less sugars. So this is it. Take a look. Tastes real good. I am, it's me and the boy, so I already shared theirs. I'm just showing mine to you guys. So guys, before I end this video, my people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Mr. People, after me bringing the tea coming inside, because as I said, the wind outside is too much. Jaden go and touch the coal stove and burn himself, and he's now
right
telling me that him never knows say there's something would have burn him. I don't know where you get that from. You see fire and say you never know say would have burn you. Anyway, Osha, so you go. You will learn from that. Next time you see that stuff, you walk far. So guys, thank you for watching. Bless up. Peace out.